Salsa is one of several sauces typical of Mexican cuisine, particularly those used as dip. Salsa is often tomato-based and includes ingredients such as onions, chiles, and herbs. It is typically pungent, ranging from mild to extremely hot. Though many preparations are called salsa in Spanish, in English it generally refers to raw or near-raw sauces used as dips. Red sauce, or salsa roja, is used as a condiment in Mexican and southwestern United States cuisine. It usually includes cooked tomatoes, chili peppers, onion, garlic, and fresh cilantro. Alright, the first thing you want to do is just open up your can of whole tomatoes and just drain the juice and then put it into your mixer. And then you're going to take 3 cans of diced tomatoes. It doesn't really matter what flavor or seasoning you pick, you get to choose. Open it up and throw them in there as well. Just blend it all up and wait till your tomatoes settle at the bottom. Alright, just take your green chiles and you're just going to want to put them in here. Alright, just take your yellow onion, chopped or diced, doesn't matter, and then just throw it in there too. Alright, then same exact thing, just now with your cilantro. And now repeat the same thing but with garlic. Alright, just a little bit of garlic salt. And a hair of cumin. And last, just the lime juice. And then just blend it all real well. Alright, every once in a while you're going to want to push your leaves of cilantro back down and then blend it up fine again. And after that, it's all done, ready to enjoy.